What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chills. Today we're going to be taking a look on a laptop, which we don't usually do very often. This is my new work laptop. I'm a programmer full-time during the day and I stream at night on twitch.tv/givehimchills. So I just started a new job and this is the laptop I got to order with the new job. This laptop is priced at $2,600. The laptop we're going to be taking a look at today is the new XPS 17-inch laptop. This comes with a 32 gigs of RAM at 2933 megahertz, an NVIDIA GeForce 2060 RTX 6 gigs. It's a great GPU and a 1 terabyte of M.2 SSD. So it's a beast of a machine, and it's the 10th generation of Intel Core i7, the 1087. The 10,875 GPU coming at 8 cores up to 5.1 gigahertz. So this machine is a beast. It's a great machine for programming. I'm really excited. Without further ado, let's get into this box, open it up. We're gonna set up this laptop. We're gonna do some cool shots about it, and I hope you like it. I'm going to be showing more of like just basically the display, how the size difference between a display and how does it look like. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video. We truly appreciate it. Again, thanks for watching, and let's get into it. Open up this box and test it out. Let's go. Guys, so I just opened up this laptop and I gotta tell you, Dell knows how to make laptops for real. This laptop has this like feel to the actual near to the pads that is super nice. I think it's like carbon fiber, so it feels really nice. The trackpad is massive, like I gotta say, it's huge. I think it's 8 inches wide. All right, guys, so I'm really in love with this laptop. The 17-inch screen is just massive. As you can see in the video, it's just huge. The bezels are super thin, and one thing that Dell knocked it out of the park in this one is they moved the camera from the bottom to the top. In the older XPS editions, it used to be the camera used to be on the bottom, and you used to look down and just looked really bad. You always showed your double beautiful chin, but this time the camera's from the top, as you can see in that footage. The bezels are super thin, coming with speakers on the side that are pretty loud. We'll do some music test here in a couple of seconds, but coming on speakers on the side right here. And the size of this laptop is beautiful, 17 inches. I mean, amazing laptop. It looks beautiful. And the main thing that I also really like is the keyboard. The keyboard is really nice. Has this, it's a little higher keys than usual MacBooks or other laptops, so which has a great feeling when you're typing. It like has it has some kind of a mechanical feel to it, but not really. But it feels like a really smooth keyboard to type on. So I really like the keyboard as well. The other thing that I really like is that it comes with touch fingerprint login, so that's really nice. And they also send you this converter. So most laptop companies don't even do this, but if you can see here, this little converter is just basically you have a USB and USB 3 and an HDMI input that you can just plug in directly through a USB-C to your laptop. So this is awesome that they send this with the laptop. It comes with a charger that looks really nice and presentable. But yeah, other than that, it looks really good. The brightness on this laptop is amazing. This is not the touchscreen display. This is just the 1080 normal display, 17-inch. So I really like this laptop. I'm going to be using it for a while. I'll comment down below after a while I've used it, how I liked it and what I think about it, especially for coding and for creating content. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I know this is not a very official review, so I appreciate all the support you guys can give me on this channel. If you guys want to see more parts of this laptop that I can do or stuff that I missed, please let me know. But other than that, thank you for watching, and you can come hang out with me on twitch.tv/giveemchills. I hope to see you there, and thank you for watching.
Bye.